What's going on, guys? This is Ayad here with the 10th part of the fighting game series. And as you know, we start programming the enemy. And as I told you, we will make the enemy move in this part. Okay, so let's start by creating a script here called scr enemy move something like move to player. Okay, but so first, make sure that when the game starts, make sure that the enemy is facing the player. Okay, and also um wait, so sorry for that, guys, but for the player I've just realized that I didn't, where is it? So yeah, in the hurt one sprite, make sure that you reset is hurting to 0. Okay, so this is very important. And yeah, so let's get back to our uh, script here, and let's start coding. So first of all, we need a target. Okay, and as you know, the target is global dot player, not obj dot player, because in the facing uh, script I made a mistake. So this is global dot player, not obj player. Okay, so this is very important too. And remember, there's variable here. Where is it? Attack index. So this variable controls the combo of the enemy, and the index 0 means that when the enemy starts the combo, he'll start from the index 0. And if the enemy was attacking us and then he moved, then we need to reset its combo. So make sure that his attack index is 0. Okay, and then let's face the player. So this is very simple. scr enemy facing. Okay, then let's start moving. Okay, so first of all, we need to check if there is a target. So if instance exists, target, and what else? So this depends on you, but sometimes when we have take a big damage, if you're if you want a simple, an easy AI, you'll need to put that target dot is hurting not equals 2. That means the enemy um can't move to us when we have take a big damage. And if you want a hard AI, just delete this part, because in this case the enemy will not let you have any time to stand or something like that. Okay, so yeah, and then um, let's say, so here we'll check some many states, if should we jump or just move or stand. So yeah, so let's say if distance to object, and as always it's, well, it is the target. Okay, so if the distance is less than 20 and uh, the target is not on the ground. Okay, so let me open Paint and show you what we are going to do. So let's say this is the ground, this is the player, and he's not landed, so it's not on the ground. And this is our enemy. So this is our enemy. So let's see this distance here. If it is less than 20, then we want the enemy to jump to the player. Okay, so yeah, so let's say if distance to object target is less than 20 and target not landed. So this is very simple. Since we made the script before, just type str enemy jump. Very simple, right? But also we want it to move to the player, so str enemy move. And you know that this script take one argument. This is the speed. And also, since we are moving, let's control the sprites. And as you know, we made the script called str enemy moving sprites, and I told you that this script will be executed only if we are moving. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Else if. So here are checking if the distance to the object is greater than 70. If distance to object, come on, target is greater than 70. Okay, that means we are too far from the enemy. I mean the player. Yeah, which is the enemy in this case. So I think I will be back to this part later, but so just to remember, so just leave this part for now, but let's do something like str enemy move, enemy speed, and str enemy moving sprite. So what I did here is that I want to so we can throw a bayonet, right? So I want to check if there is a bayonet that is going to hit the enemy. So the enemy will jump to avoid this bayonet. So we will do this later, okay? So just to make the artificial intelligence kinda intelligent. But anyway, so let's check another state. So let's say, so this time we'll check if the distance to the target is less than 20, I mean it's greater than 20, and also less than 70. Okay, and less than 70, and also the target is not attacking us. Okay, so the target shouldn't be attacking us. So if it's not, then continue moving. Very simple. Okay, else do the same thing here, except we'll see if the target is attacking. So what should we do? Well, some of you will say we can block his attack or start attacking too, but no. Let's just do something like x plus equals 0 and sprite index equals stand sprite. And I know we are wondering, why shouldn't we block his attack? Yeah, what we should do, but we'll do this through another script, because this script is only for moving. That's all. Because we don't, we will make another script for blocking, for attacking, for the special attack, and another main script which is the config script as we do to the player. As we did to the player. Yeah. So, yeah. And now, let's say else move to the player basically. If none of this case is happen, then by default let's move to the player. Okay, and else, so well, this refer to this condition right here, and let's copy it, and in this case we want to check if the target have take big damage. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick, but yeah. So in this case we'll see if the player is still hurting from big damage. So it depends on you if you want a simple, an artificial intelligence that you can beat, or I don't know. But for me, let's just do something like this. And what's cool about this script is that you can, since we will have a config script, you can do something like make a variable called global.artificial intelligence level, and then choose if it's gonna be hard or easy. Then you can duplicate this script and modify it, and in the config script you'll see if the global.i level is hard, then execute the hard scripts only, and if it's easy, then execute the easy ones. And we may do this later, but once we finish the config script and stuff like that. Oh my god. And I think we are done. So just for testing purpose, let's go to our enemy parent, and in the create event, let's call this script the init script ser enemy init. Okay, and the step event ser enemy moving, move to player, and also don't forget the gravity. Okay, then for the collision with the ground, let's just copy this code, collision with the ground, and let me check. Yeah, so yeah, let's see what we have made. Okay, so let's see, this is the enemy. Whoa, is there? Oh well, wait, so enemy speed, actually it exists. Enemy speed, did I type it wrong or something? Enemy, no? Let me just global dot enemy parent. Well, that's really weird. Let me just see the error exactly. In the step event, unknown variable enemy speed. Well, so let's do something like Really? Wait, so if this character... Oh, so yeah, I forgot to tell you that. So since these characters right here have their own creative event, then they won't see the their parents' creative event. So make sure to delay this, okay? Because we have already facing script, so we don't want them to be you know what I mean. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, those kids are really annoying, if you can hear. So anyway, let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Oh, this script has... Let's see. Yep. Hmm. So it's moving toward us, but we have some... Let me check here. So the distance to target is greater than 20, and hmm. Oh, so wait. So here we need to put this instead. Yeah. So that should work now. Yep. Exactly, that's what we want. So as you can see, he can jump, and when he jump, he'll make it attack the player, and yeah. So this is just the basic movements for the enemy, and yeah. So that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, please, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.